Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Let's make these pan roasted potatoes. They are so easy to make. I hope you like this video, and more so I hope you learned something from this recipe. Let's get started. So here are the potatoes that I will be using, and I have already peeled and cleaned them. So you're just going to cut them into quarters like you see, and then you're going to do this to all the other potatoes and then set them aside. This is the size that I went for. Now here are the potatoes into a bowl. I'm just going to add salt, turmeric, paprika, and any other spices of your choice. One thing that I like to add is garlic, but I did not have it at hand, so I used my green paste that contains garlic and coriander. That is garlic and dhania. And you're going to mix, ensuring that the potatoes are well coated with the spices. And after that, you're just going to leave them to rest. You can put them in the fridge for like an hour or so before then going ahead with the next step. And guys, for this recipe you're going to need a non-stick pan because we are not adding any liquid, so we need the pan that where the potatoes cannot stick. And then you're going to carefully start adding in the potatoes after the oil is heated enough, and cook this on low flame guys, low flame, so that they do not burn and so that they can cook evenly. So you're going to put them on one layer like you see me doing here. Like, do not let some potatoes to be above others. So you're going to cover the pot and then leave these for some few minutes and keep checking just to ensure that they are cooking well. And once the side that is facing down starts to get brown, just go ahead and turn on to the other side. Like you can see, one side was starting to get brown, so just go ahead and start turning the potatoes so that they can cook on the other side. And you're going to do this carefully so that not to break the potatoes. Guys, this recipe is so quick, I cannot believe it. And then you're going to let the other side cook and the potatoes will be ready. You can serve these potatoes as snacks or even serve them as for breakfast, and like you can see, they look so good. And you're going to see that they look crunchy on the outside and yet they are very soft, especially on the inside. Like you can see me testing them out here. I love this recipe and I hope you do too. Please give it a try, and thank you so much for watching this video, and kindly like and support my channel. And until next time, bye bye.